Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll walk you through creating and uploading a floor plan for projects in Xdraw. Start by logging into your XTENAVI account and navigating to your Designs Documents page. Here, you'll find the Floor Plan section. To create a new floor plan, simply use the Create New button. You can also upload the floor plan using the Upload button from your system. We support various formats, including PNG, JPG, SVG, PDF, DWG, and DXF. Once uploaded, you'll be taken to the editor to view and work on your floor plan. Use the Product Images feature to add products to your floor plan. As for illustration, I have added a display, projector, speakers, and microphone. Place them on the floor plan according to your requirements. Click on the Save button to save your floor plan. Return to the Documents page by selecting the View Design Docs button. Use the View button to see all your uploaded floor plans. Here, you can access and review the floor plans you have created. Use the Actions button to edit, rename, download as an image or PDF, or delete your floor plan. You can also upload or create new floor plans directly from this page. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, please visit xtenavi.com.